laid up in the same pot. Cooked the rock, went front, flipping on mats to flipping them sacks, hiding seeks and spots to out and we sell crack. Facts, war on drugs was a chess game, was a pawn, guns drawn on my front lawn. Just a young nigga staring down the corner, checking out the hustlers with the latest kicks on them. Know what nigga want, mama ain't got it. Fucking up a school line, but she know about it. I was just a young nigga, know what I was headed for. Jumped off the porch, really I wasn't ready for it. Get up off the hood, find a way out. Route I'm on, either death or jailhouse. Wanna get away from all this stress. For me, mama just wanted the best. Cause ain't no next life, so now I'm tryna live my best life. Living my best life. Cause ain't no next life, so now I'm tryna live my best life. I'm living my best life. Let the past be the past, like a bitch with an ass. Left you for a nigga with cash. Came back ass fatter, looking better than ever. Talking about getting back together. Nigga, I'm about to smash. I'm a bad whatchamacallit. Used to blow out the toilet after lockdown in the county. Smoking squirts on my bunk. You the type to cry and yell out turn. Not supposed to be here dead like weekend at birth. Used to bag up the weed and live off of the coke. By myself in the spot and I never got low. Shit, you can ask all of my homies. Caught the bus with some stacks and I kept my heat around me.